Hello everyone, this is Makayo. I'm doing a very short demo for Lab 5. In Lab 5, we worked with the spatial descriptive statistics as well as spatial regression. So we used median centers and the GWR tool and OLS and other tools such as those. So I've already gone ahead and connected my folder and all that jazz. So I'm just going to add my Bigfoot sightings, my Washington counties, and leave that at that right now. So, uh, looking at one, we're asked to load our Sasquatch sightings in the Washington counties feature. B, we need to project or change the coordinate system for both flares that we added to our map. So we're going to use the project tool. Management tools, Bigfoot sightings, Bigfoot project. We go here, we'll search for 3. You go down to projected coordinate systems, UTM, and ABB, 1983, and we can select 10. And if we right click, copy and modify, we can click into this box and copy the new coordinate system. Let's run it. And let's delete the old one. Let's run that project tool one more time on our Washington counties. Our output coordinate system can be UTMs on 10N. We still have to search for it. So we search for it. Oh, we also have access to it through layers. But projected coordinate system UTN, NAD 1993, 10N right here. We'll run it, and then let's delete the old one. What do we want to do? We're going to add our forested area and join that to our map and our layer. So, forested area is added. Let's open it and see what columns we have. We have FID and percent forest. Let's check out counties. So let's check out the attribute table for counties. We have FID. Cool. That's the column that we're going to be using to join these two tables together. So we can right click on Washington County, joins and relates. We'll add join. We know that our join field will be FID. Our forested areas will be the same. We cannot index our join fields, so then please run it. We're also going to be adding our total population and joining that to our layer. So we can go to our catalog, total population, add the current map, and then joining total population to our Washington counties project one more time. So then we have the total population ID2. We cannot index our join fields and press OK. Cool. We have our ID2, our geography, and our population. Awesome. Next, you're going to be using a couple tools to calculate spatial statistics. So I'll just run through one of them because it's pretty plug and chug. So I'll do the mean center. I'm going to choose the spatial statistics tool, and my input feature will be my Bigfoot sightings. We'll leave the rest of these empty, and we can run this. You'll know that it's run complete when something will be added to your map, either another sphere or larger containing circles. So then, following that, you will create a layout map showing all four of those, as well as the Bigfoot sighting point feature used in these calculations. You're also required to show the map elements and all that jazz. So, back over here. So I would recommend um, exporting your Washington County project that has the joins. The lab doesn't say to, but having joins and trying to work on them makes me nervous. So I just exported it. And now we're going to do a spatial join for our counties to obtain the number of Bigfoot sightings for each county. So we're specifically told that we have to use the spatial join analysis tools and not the add spatial join. So spatial join analysis tools. This is our target features. So then our target features will be our Washington County's export features. We're joining our Bigfoot project. And as long as I did that right, I did it right. Yay. So then we can deselect our old one and check out the attribute table for our new feature. If we look at join count, the join count refers to how many points were inside of the uh, polygon. So then we have, 60 points in this one and so on and so forth. So now we're supposed to normalize the number of sightings and populations by county area so that our results are not affected by the size of the county. So now we're going to add a few different fields. This is the area is supposed to be double. There's a market field. So, I'm going to go ahead and add the other fields that we're supposed to add a little bit later on. Probably, yeah, is double site and then population. Then we'll hit save up top to make these permanent. We can close out of our editing box. And now we're going to calculate our area first. So then let's go to the far right and let's calculate the geometry for our area. We have our area, the property is area. The area unit will be square US survey miles. Right? Square US survey miles. We'll calculate that. Awesome, awesome. Oh, well, that's why you always want to make sure you don't have any selected records. Good lesson. Calculate geometry, area, and yeah, much better. So now we're going to divide join count by poly area, and then divide population by area. So this is site normalized by by area, site normalized by poly area. So then we're dividing our join count by the area, and then we're doing the same thing for our population. U population divided by area. All right, cool, cool, cool. Next, you're gonna run the OLS tool. So then your input will be the spatial join that we've been working on, the unique, yeah. Our unique ID will be GEOID. Our dependent variable is going to be our normalized sightings, and then we're going to have either our forested area, so our percent forest, or our population density as the explanatory variable. You'll run this tool 3 different times based on the instructions. So first run, forested area, second run, only population, and third, use both fields together. Right. Next, you'll run the GWR tool, or the geographic weighted regression tool. Your input features will again be the spatial join. The dependent variable is going to be the S and PA, and your explanatory variables this time will just be your population as well, your population normalized, as well as your percent forests. Please follow the rest of the instructions for your neighborhood type and your neighborhood selection method. And then create your own map, and that will be the end of lab 5. Please take another look at the deliverables right here, and I hope this helps. All right, how do I